something to tell you.
What? Tell me.
I'm back with my ex, Eric.
What girl? Who's Eric?
He's boy I was live here at your summer party.
Wait, you dating him too?
Yeah.
He's talking. He's walking. Grandpa, wake up! Wake up! Stop! No!
We actually found this brilliant way to get people into space. Nuclear-fueled engines. Our issue is we need permission from the government.
Alright, time out. How are we going to get permission from the government if we are a publicly owned company?
Actually, I know someone.
Good afternoon, Michael and Ashley. How may I help you today?
Good afternoon, Vice President. We came for permission to build a rocket, but the issue is that it's nuclear powered.
Why are you so focused on this idea?
Well, because our achievement, our ultimate goal, is to help people to get into space without any issues.
Your request is very dangerous, so I'll have to speak with the president to make sure it's okay.